Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you. That's my stream deck over there. Marketing, that seems to be a lot of the talk over there right now, particularly around Cosmos and CT and crypto Twitter, man. Starting to drift a lot of conversation over there into marketing. And I've been weighing in on the discussions. I want to be part of it. I want to be in the conversation. But the one thing that continues to confuse me over here, we never ever seem to address, and I thought, let me just go ahead and put it out in video form, see if I can get my thoughts a little clearer here. So when it comes to marketing, particularly the Atom token, or we always say Cosmos as a whole, but it's actually the Atom token. That's what you're trying to generate the action on. It seems like we're not really asking the right questions. And the easiest question, I think, is who are you marketing to? Because that part we seem to tiptoe around. Are we apps? Are we just chains? Are we trying to sell tokens? Are we trying to sell products? What are we doing? And the second question seems to be, what are you offering retail? Because that's where we keep going is, well, we need to onboard retail. What are you going to offer them? See, now that's another one that we just tiptoe around it. What does Atom and the Cosmos offer retail? What problem are you solving for them? Because what we did back in 2020, and I've been covering this since 2020, but what we did back in 2020 as opposed to what we're doing now, the market has moved on. The paradigm has shifted, and it just doesn't seem like the mindset over here in the Cosmos has really shifted along with them. So it begs the question again, who are you trying to reach, and what are you trying to sell them? Now, I know I can sum this up real easy. We want token go up. If I was to put that poll out there on Twitter, it'll be the same thing. We want token go up. It's really, really hard to showcase the tech when most of the degen market over here really doesn't care about the tech. I know we try to pretend that it's something else, but it isn't. People don't care about the tech. They care about token go up. So if that's your intent, you want to get retail over here, not to solve their problems, but to get them to buy your token. And I got a hunch that's it. If you have a different viewpoint, man, please leave it in the comments. It's so easy to get visibility out here if your audience is willing to put in a little bit of hustle with you, and it's not much. You hit you hit the like button and you leave comments. Moves it on Twitter, moves it on YouTube. It is universally the same algorithm. But if we can't even be bothered to do that for the Cosmos talking heads, and I'm a talking head, but if we can't even be bothered to do that, to literally get visibility to break these things out, once again, who are you marketing to? Where are you trying to get? Because if we're all just sitting here inside of our own little ecosystem, and we literally are, if we're all just sitting here pushing chips back and forth across the table, then we're all done here, right? So I would start there. Who are you marketing to? What problem are you going to solve for them, and what do you want from them? And if it's simply about the tokens, buy my bag, pump my bags, buy my token, then we're all pretty much done here, because every single ecosystem that exists out here in Web3 is looking for the same thing. Atom's going to have to be different. You're going to have to identify the problems, offer the solution, and then build it. But we really aren't doing too much of that now. So anyway, just some thoughts, top of my head. Ask these questions, get answers to them. Those are the discussions that we should be having right now. Not cutting each other's throats, not my chain is better than your chain, but as an ecosystem, this is what we can do, and then do it. Anyway, that's all I got. I wanted to try this out, and I made some audio improvements. I hope the sound quality is better. But yeah, that's it. And questions or comments, Scott at thepodcast.com. I answer any and all of them. And until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money, guys. Cheers.